Rebekka Bakken is a singer from Norway. She spends most of her time working on her vocal technique, but every now and then she enjoys another kind of exercise.
Yeah! When I was a child, we played soccer at school, and between in recess, I remember it was fun.
As a singer, she prefers the stage to the soccer field. She's loved by critics for her extensive vocal range.
Music has always been a thing that I was doing all my life, as long as I can remember. In my house, we were always playing, singing music for no other reason than having fun. And I continue doing that up until now.
Rebekka Bakken grew up near Oslo. She started playing violin when she was 4, and then piano. She sang in a number of Norwegian bands. At the age of 24, she went to New York and started composing. The big international breakthrough came in 2003 with her debut album, The Art of How to Fall. For her latest album, Morning Hours, she brought top American producer Craig Street on board. He's worked with singers like Norah Jones and Cassandra Wilson.
I don't answer the door. I'd as soon be alone.
When the singer isn't playing concerts or spending time in New York, she's composing new music at a farm in Sweden.
In the early morning hours, when your eyes are still closed, I'm feeling that I come from Scandinavia more and more. I make a home wherever I go. I make a home in a hotel room. I can make a home. I spend a lot of time here in the nature. Home is where I am at the moment.
Rebekka Bakken is working on her new album, but like many of her fellow Scandinavians, she's also taking some time to watch the Women's World Cup.
I can understand that it didn't have a lot of interest when it first started, because you gotta get on a good level and you have to have a tradition, and then but now it's a great level.
Still, the singer doesn't have a favorite team.
I like excellence, I like elegance, and that's what that's what I like to watch. So I will watch out for the most excellent and elegant team.
And with any luck, Norway's team will be playing both excellent and elegant football when they face Australia on Wednesday.